Sony has been lagging behind in the multi-camera race, but the Xperia XZ4 may change that. CAD-based renders from the reliable pairing of it on leaks and Mismart price show a triple camera on the back and one large screen on the front. Let's take a look. The Sony Xperia XZ4 flaunts a 6.2 inches OLED display that comes with a high screen resolution of 1440 by 2880 pixels. It has a slim bezel display with a sharpness of 519 ppi density, which can provide a crystal clear view. The screen does seem to have a significantly taller aspect ratio, more than 19.59 by the looks of it. And despite that, still not notch. The phone is pretty tall, however, at 166.9 millimeters it's taller than most phones in our database. On the plus side, it has slimmed down compared to the current model. It measures 8.2 millimeters for the most part. The camera bump is the thickest part, 9.0 millimeters. Anyway, there's no fingerprint reader on the back. The design of the power button suggests that Sony will return to a side-mounted reader. For photography, this device is expected to have a triple camera lenses on the back which can capture amazing pictures. It has a front-facing camera of 24 megapixel which will impress the users with the quality of selfies it captures. The performance of this device is based on the 2 quad-core Cryo 385 processor having a clock speed of 2.8 GHz and 1.8 GHz. It is seated upon the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset and assisted by the Adreno 630 GPU, which will render a seamless performance together. The 6GB RAM will ensure the gaming and the multitasking of the device is running without any lag. In terms of the power backup, it features a Li-ion battery having a capacity of 4000 mAh. It can supply an ample amount of power to keep it running for a long time. The battery also features a quick charging support which can refill it in a short time. The Sony Xperia XZ4 has an inbuilt storage of 64 GB which is ample to keep the files and data of the users. There is an external memory slot that can be expanded up to 512 GB. For the connectivity, the device supports 4G VoLTE. Other connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS with a GPS, GLONASS, NFC, USB Type-C, and more.